Hey everybody, John Murphy, CSSI. I hope you're doing great. I want to get some information out on green zip tape, and in part it's because I was working on a $30 million ground-up construction multi-family project that talking to green zip tape about, and just I want to give you some ideas of kind of what this might mean. And effectively, the developer will be able to defer $1 million more in income taxes by using green zip tape than not using green zip tape. That's in the first 5 years of the ownership of the property. So it's phenomenal. So not only besides the green building, sustainable building aspects of using green zip tape, in some cities we think obviously are pushing very hard for all the green buildings. So this is a nice building materials product to be able to incorporate into your project to help your efforts there with these cities. But the tax advantages are phenomenal. It's really something that you should take a look at. So let's look at, so a couple of things people have asked, hey, is this a brand new product? It's not a brand new product. It's been around for 15 years. It's been used on about 1,000 different projects already. Here's some of the big developers and owners and brands that have used this product. So it's not brand new. It's out there in the marketplace. And here's the deal. Effectively, what green zip tape allows you to do is, and it works on interior walls only, mostly on projects about $10 million or more. If you're working on hospitals and medical diagnostic or imaging centers, this is phenomenal for that. But you cut the green zip tape at the bottom. You can unpeel it. You unscrew the panels and you can set them aside, reuse them, move them. Makes everything become a movable panel, if you will. And what that does is that the IRS has said that everything that's in the walls, so the studs, the electrical, the plumbing, the cabling, the paint, all of that moves from 27.5 year in a multi-family project down to the 5-year class life line. And if it's in a commercial building, it's 39 years to 5 years. So it's phenomenal, okay, in terms of tax savings. Let's just take a look real quick at this project I'm working on here. $30 million, multifamily project, right? This, you can just extrapolate this if you've got a $50 million project or a $100 million project. We're working on a number of those as well. But I thought this would be more digestible. $30 million project, they're going to do cost segregation anyway. They might get 16, 18, 20, 22%. It's 5-year class life property. You can see that right here. The 15-year class life is the land improvements, $1.8 million. We don't affect that. But if they build with green zip tape on this project here, and I don't know what the cost is. It's less than 0.5 of 1%. Every project's going to be a little bit different. I don't know. It might be 65, 75, 80, 90, $100,000 to do the green zip tape, right? And on this one here, let's just say it's $80,000. That 5-year class life property goes from 18% to 28%. So 5.4 million to 8.4 million. That's $3 million more in depreciation that can be accelerated. Came out of the 27.5-year class life line. Okay, you get to depreciate that. Bonus depreciation is 60% in 24. It's going down to 40%. So you can take a piece of that now and then take the rest of it over the next 4 years. But that's $3 million in depreciation that you'll be able to take over the next 5 years that you wouldn't normally be able to take. Okay, this can also be used when you go to resell the property. We think this helps future-proof your buildings. Okay, when you market it, you can say, hey, you're going to get more 5-year class life property with this building than the other buildings that didn't build with green zip tape. So anyway, happy to talk with you. I work all over the country. You can follow me at Cost Seg Building. I also have a blog at costSegBuilding.com. Publish a lot of information there about commercial real estate and cost segregation and tax savings, and of course, green zip tape. So happy to chat. Take care. John Murphy, CSSI. Bye-bye.